headlines. Forest Minister Shyam Kumar urged to clarify his false promise. Manipur CM Biren urges partymen not to pamper public trust in BJP, confident of winning 40 seats in next state assembly polls. And MPP unhappy over refusal of permission by district magistrate to hold protest. Hello, you're watching Times of Manipur English News. I'm Mandira and now the news in detail. Cradle for Disabled Union has demanded Manipur Forest and Environment Minister T.H. Shyam Kumar to clarify his alleged failure to translate into action the announcement he made on extending a financial aid of Rs 20 lakh to the union a couple of years back. Shyam Kumar announced the financial aid for the welfare of physically challenged individuals, said President of CRAF-DU Abdul Razak Mochingmayum at the press meet held today at the community hall of Yaripuk Tulihal, Imphal East. He appealed to the minister to clarify the matter so that the doubt in the public mind can be cleared. Razak further mentioned that Minister Shyam Kumar himself had made the announcement during the 8th Foundation Day celebration of CRAF-DU in 2017, following which the union had submitted necessary documents to the minister's office as advised by him. Razak also said that in October 2017, during a tree plantation program hosted by CRAF-DU, Minister Shyam Kumar assured again to release the money within a month's time.
Matam chana moigi apamba jing aikoi pangthok kadabadu pangthok ngamjakide thabuk thoram jingdo aikoi resource leijadabana maram asina aikoi gi ithakta ona tainabada aikoi khara khungburoi oiriba mayam sigi khungburoi oiriba aikoi khara ge ithakta makoina lana criticize aibadi differently able person jing lana pangthok pireba makoina lawthuaga aran balambenda makoi gi hainabi mawong da season na thokre.
Manipur Chief Minister and BJP leader N. Biren Singh today stated that once the trust in the Saffron Party by the public is spoiled, it will never come back. He was participating in the 116th birth anniversary celebration of Dr. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee held at MSFDS Imphal. Biren exuded confidence that BJP would get 40 seats in the next state assembly polls and urged that those people who are proactive should be enrolled as party members. Referring to the current leadership crisis within the government, the Chief Minister described the situation as entirely family matter and expressed hope that the political stalemate would be ended soon with a clear-cut solution.
Khara leiba mayam se tasanji punjanji akoi tasan ba punjan mama akoi puna makse amatani haiba masangi asakoi gai tawgam ni no ya haiba adugi madu uttar akoi puna makse laune na tasan ba masangi aduna akoi huji sigi membership drive siga konana Manipur da yamna deeply maratarba yamna luna maratarba BJP gi adugumba structure ma yam hana leide bisigi matak de hena kan sem ngani habi thajaba ekoi de lai ado hailo puno mose honorable MLA sing honorable chairman sing adagi former president daibiri karikata puno involved torkanda jaga da try to say ekoi isa yauna sakada kendra ge MLA sing yauna to birkanda mandal da thadok taba district president da thadok taba ekoi lebiri be ko MLA sing जैसे कि इन चार सिंगारों का तो मिनसी हाई में नस्म खानेंगे.
At the event, BJP Manipur Pradesh President and MP KSH Bhavananda, BJP scheduled tribes Morcha National President Ram Vichar Netam, Manipur RD and Minister T.H. Biswajit, Forest Minister T.H. Shyamkumar, Education Minister T.H. Radheshyam and a host of BJP members were present. Speaking on the occasion, MP Bhavananda rebuffed the recent allegations levelled against him with regard to embezzlement of MP fund. He appealed that everyone should work with utmost sincerity and assured that a list of works he has done for the public will be brought to the public domain.
Aduna aina mayam da ina ngasi thamjare misine parliament session he loibaga mayam da ai gi tawhiba thawak punamok ai loinamok ai mayam da phongdok charakani aduga mayam da se demand tawbiyo ngasi dagi chai ahum mari mawang da tare tam kaya MLA ore pa yauri mayam yauri mo gi demand tawbiyo ai mo da demand tawbiyo na adu regadi ai gi da na bisok charakani aduna manava mi onda mayam jingbiyo haibani.
Manipur People's Party MPP, one of the oldest regional political parties, today expressed dismay over the act of District Magistrate Imphal West, who refused to grant permission to the party for organizing a sit-in demonstration against issuing of threat and monetary demand to the party allegedly by banned militant group Kanglei Park Communist Party, Noyon. Justice Nobin of High Court of Manipur had on November 30, 2018 admitted that a sum of Rs 20 lakh was demanded by KCP Noyon group from MPP besides threatening calls to the party leaders, following which the party officials sought for police protection. MPP General Secretary Administration L. Sanjoy said during a press meet at Manipur Press Club, Imphal. He appealed that MPP should be left undisturbed. Local residents of Khurai Assembly constituency along with Apunba Khurai Coordinating Committee, Khurai held a public meeting at Khurai Lamlong Bazar condemning the bomb blast at the residence of local MLA L. Sushindro on Thursday. During the meeting, MLA Sushindro, who personally came to meet the agitators, informed that he will quit from his post if the locals and the people of Manipur do not support him in seeking justice in the blast incident, in which the agitators declared their support to the MLA and requested him to cancel his decision. The agitators burned tires at Lamlong Bazar as a mark of protest against the incident.
Ado handak aigi matamda loina semtore loina mak daka leiba phangmam thokpa miyoi kudimakta ching loina phangangane haiba pose aigi di achouba wasak amaga loina na nasibu laksabane ana loisinjra pada mayam punamakta amuka na aroi boina hana thamjage ado leiba pose aigi di mayam punamak changchan biriba khongjang ase yamna leiba phomani tobudubo ai isagi oinadi aigi stand ama ai hayengboki manungda koi stand ama lorni aduga most probably Ningthokaba numitadi soina resignation submit tawrani haiba homching ase haijaga masana tension jagi.
All Manipur selected police constable civil male 2013 batch staged a sit protest at the Kashampat Lemajam Lekai community hall demanding the state government to issue appointment letters immediately. President of All Manipur selected 2000 candidates of Police Constable 2013 batch, Ahong Shangbum Bonoi, threatened that they will impose a band on both the national highways of Imphal Ziribam Road and Imphal Dimapur Road from July 10 to 11 if the government fails to provide them appointment letters by July 8. He further appealed to the government to concentrate on the development by solving the present political upheaval witnessing in the state.
Appointment letter si pi dapat targadi koi ngasi family ba kasapa lema jam lekai da family ba si candidate listing ani gi candidate amasung singi chinau sing guardian sing ga yaw ga phamjabani ngasi phamjar ba mi pham masida ko na resolution amakadang ta jai madudi la liba July gi date 8 pau ni manung sta appointment letter pi dapat targadi July gi date 10 dagi na 11 pau ba national highway ani makta ko na total shutdown tawjaragani.
Let's head into a short break, but coming, how police stations create child-friendly decor, more after the break.
Saraswati Coaching Institute, Chingmairong, Kongnang Karak, Imphal. Admission open. Class 11 Science Foundation Course 2019. Starting of class 15 July. Medical Regular Course for NEET UG 2020. Starting of class 15 July. NEET UG Successful Candidates for 2019. Sanalu Gangmei, Wardo Dilbung Lamkang, Muhammad Nashiruddin Sa, El Yohenba, Nima Naurem, Kate Stela Devi, Narosa Chapungbam, Chandan Laren Lakpam, Supriya RK, O. Philip.
Welcome back. A team of Manipur Police under the supervision of IGP Zone 1, IPS Clay Khongshai inspected the child-friendly police stations of Kakching District Police Station and Hyanglam Police Station today. Child-friendly police station is a project which aims to make children feel safe, comfortable while seeing or dealing with the men in uniform in conflict situation. DIG of Manipur Police Range 2 IPS Kabir K, Superintendent of Police of Kakching Victoria Yengkhom and Chairperson of Manipur Commission of Protection of Child Rights Sumati Bala Ningthaujam were also present in the inspection tour. IGP Clay Khongshai said child-friendly police stations are set up which instantly put minors at ease. The guidelines under Manipur Commission for Protection of Child Rights and Supreme Court are yet to be fulfilled in Manipur, Clay Khongshai added. Chairperson of Manipur Commission for Protection of Child Rights, Sumati Bala Ningjam, said child-friendly police stations are created exclusively to deal with children either as victims or perpetrators in coordination with the police who require care and protection for them without any intimidation.
Minor those who are below 18 years, police station Hek police ki uniform seat laga labor ma'am se ubda kiba khangba ma'am se laitana na ba masigumba at least child friendly oiba ka aduga tongana masmaina sembiraga mogi problem natraga mokhoi any khoi police ka interact over kan su khara moi comfortable oina na ba aduna maso horin sida moi ga interact over da wona ta moi ki spy sing su they are supposed to be in civil dress and interact with them in the most friendly manner. Karimba maron khang de har gosu magi local language mana ngangba lo du da su yari ngai adu da ko interact over ngangan ba adu bagi part of the police na madu initiative to local laga to ni
Angang singa karigumba makhal gi disturbance amata pidaba angang singbu protect tawbiba angang singbu promote tawbiba angang singbu take care tawbiba adugi pandama ma oina akoi laiba police station da karigumba any crime ga mari leina bala ko matamda angang singdo makoi bu hedi makoi da ki akhang ko handaba makoi gi maron da phajana lon haidok pa ngamna ba kana gumba magi translator ki darkar leitaba makoi na tawruwa makoi na makoi gi chin machin da gi taga do ko poto yana free oina yana frankly yang di jeng thong nang thok pang ngam gada bagi environment do sembi gada bani hai bagi pandam da thamjaba dugumba child friendly police station hangdo bagi maram.
In Thoubal district, police continued to seize illicit drugs and banned tobacco items during separate drives. Under the overall supervision of Superintendent of Police, Thoubal District, Dr. S. Ibomcha, a routine checking and frisking was conducted at Herok Part 2, Champrathong last night around 8 and seized a person along with 3.5 gram of narcotic drug. The person has been identified as Kudongbam Rustam, aged 21 years, son of Samananda from Herok Part 2. A case under NDPS Act has been registered against him. Meanwhile, 16 strips of N10 tablets were seized from 3 youths by a team of Thoubal Commando Quick Response Team at Thoubal Mojing Chingjao Makhong. The youths have been taken into the custody of Thoubal Police Station for further questioning. In another incident, during a routine checkup at Khangabok Moirangpally, a man was arrested for possessing banned tobacco products. The arrested along with the seized products was later handed over to Thoubal Police Station. A house located at Murray Ward number 7 has been gutted in a fire today. A team of Manipur Fire Service rushed to the spot to douse the blaze as per reports. Further updates are awaited. Members of Kanglei Park News Tengbang Loop extended financial aid to one Pukrambam Tejmani Devi, wife of P. Yaiskun Singh of Sendra Ithing Mamang Lekai, who earns a living by selling fish at Khairamban Market, Imphal. Reportedly on 14th of May, a robber had snatched her purse containing Rs 8,000 in cash, her mobile phone and medicines. President of Manipuri Students Federation MSF District Committee Juribam Sabir Ahmed has appealed to the concerned authority to repair and fill up potholes on Juribam Imphal National Highway 37. Talking to our reporter, he said these potholes have caused frequent road mishaps on the highway. Sabir ashamed mentioned that 2 separate road accidents took place in front of the MSF office yesterday due to these potholes, and moreover, pedestrians are also facing hardships due to the bad road condition. He urged the related department to look into the matter at the earliest.
Manipur to Assam Road ki labi da MSF ki office hek mamang da leiriba sida kongut ama kya matam kuina koduna leire sida mari leinaba authority na yembidaba meeting sangdaba sina maram oraga ngarang maktasu accident ani thokuna MSF ki koi volunteers na su kanganaba yam kana mating tawgi aduga matata nahandasu maina maram oraga asigumba ai sadara mari leinaba authority sinda yembidaba se yam laiba kini apu modam mari leinaba authority sinda meeting sangminaba MSF ki magai de apil tawgari.
Meritorious students of public school Ningthokong who have cleared HSLC examination 2019 were felicitated at Ningthokong Longlong Bazar Community Hall today. Authorities of public school Ningthokong organized the program to promote quality education for a better society. Principal of the school K. Birendra Kumar said meritorious students were felicitated as a moral support to them. Altogether, 31 students were presented with simple gifts. Chairperson of Ningthokong Municipal Council L. Ibungo Singh, Chairman of Governing Body of the school K.H. Kutamcha, Vice Chairman K.H. Brajamani and founder of the school K.H. Nunghi Babu were the main guests of the program. Another short break, but coming up, audition for Sunsilk Miss Northeast and Ghania Male held at Hotel Heiko. More after the break.
Amber Cine Production and BK Events and Entertainment presents the 4th season of Iwa India 2019. Mrs. Mr. and Miss Iwa India is back in Manipur. Auditions on 6th July and 7th July at Hotel Imphal by the Classic at 10 a.m.
Nationwide #1 Oirakliba UNI Consultancy Private Limited na lowest package ta security amadi local guarantor piduna India ge khanaba state singda NRI Kota da MBBS tamnaba amadi foreign countries singda MBBS tamnaba gi pandam da SBI gi on campus educational loan da natna lupa lakh amaka listing nimpu scholarship su second semester dagi semester khuding maki phanghangani free year tickets na traga lupa listing nimpu banga gi relaxation gi damak ngasimak youth library club uripok polem laikai gi mayok nabada laiba corporate office ta lakpiduna ngasimak contact tobiu hena kupamarol gi damak contact tobiru 7005092567 amasung 9007778647 aikoi gi website www.247ununi.com.
Welcome back. Audition for Sunsilk Mega Miss Northeast and Ghania Men Mega Mr. Northeast 2019 was held today at Hotel Baigo, Imphal, organized by Mega Entertainment Guwahati. Director of Mega Entertainment Guwahati, Manipur State, Kavita Kaisham said selected female models will represent Manipur State in the Northeast contest to be held in Guwahati, while the selected male models will directly participate in the Mr. International contest.
Participants the online summit to participant at least nupi taramu tagi nupa taramu akan huzik how driven na kang online submission dan atau on spot submission jo ibanina ko ito mana tawai aduga sige duga yam na nungai bam na Garnier the winner will be direct entry to the Mr. International 2019.
As in all other states, Tripura BJP also launched its membership drive today amid great enthusiasm and fervor in the government-run Nazul Kalakshetra Auditorium. Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Deb unveiled the membership drive by awarding party membership to an applicant during the function this morning. A large number of intellectuals of the state, including professors, teachers, doctors, advocates and engineers, got membership of BJP. Animal rights activists are worried with a 30% decline in captive elephant population during the last 1 decade in Assam. According to reports of the Assam Forest Department available, it has come to light that there has been a sharp decline in the captive elephant population in the state. Reports showed that the captive elephant population till December 2018 was 1,303 in Assam. Surprisingly, as per the department's report on December 2018, to the Project Elephant Division of the Ministry of Environment and Forest showed that the captive population came down to only 905 elephants. The Department of Health and Family Welfare Department of Assam has reviewed the activities undertaken by the District Task Force for combating Japanese encephalitis in the district. The review meeting was held in presence of the Deputy Commissioner Dr. S. Lakshmanan at the Sukafa Conference Hall of the DC's office in Sivasagar. The Commissioner and Secretary, while taking detailed stock of the status and measures initiated towards prevention and treatment of Japanese encephalitis in the district, stressed upon coordinated efforts of the district administration, district health department as well as all the line departments in the mitigating the disease. After fledgling last month, the revival of the Bangladesh-China-India-Myanmar Economic Corridor BCIM-EC during talks with Prime Minister Narendra Modi in Kyrgyzstan capital Bishkek, Chinese President Xi Jinping joined visiting Prime Minister of Bangladesh Sheikh Hasina to accelerate the project with New Delhi's support. The revival of Chinese interest in the BCIM-EC in coordination with India was evident when Xi singled out the project as an example of expanding the India-China ties, which had entered a new phase after the Wuhan informal summit held in April last year. Though Hasina and President Xi listed infrastructure construction as a priority, there was no reference to the opening up of a deep water port in Bangladesh to Chinese investment. Bangladesh is developing the Matabari deep water port near Cox's Bazar with funding from Japan, but Bangladeshi officials have been signaling that the nearby port of Sonadia, in which the Chinese have been apparently interested, is not immediately on their radar. Now the top newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. Law and order situation multiplies Hangla pools. Winners and losers. Who got how much in Nirmala Sitharaman's first budget? Pineapples airlifted for export. The People's Chronicle. Government willing to declare Manipur a drought-hit state. Dissident MLAs debunk resignation reports. Airlifting of organic pineapples from state underway. Government accused of lacking will to protect indigenes. Imphal Free Press. Dissident MLAs camping in Delhi urged over false report of resignation. Union budget. Sitharaman goes all out to rev up investment, boost consumption. Armed miscreants abduct Dampi village chief. SP Imphal East appeals. Girls falling unconscious in viral video speaks out. The Morning Bell. Union budget 2019-20. Petrol, diesel to be costlier. Tax on super rich. Coal imports. Government stoic silence on ILP bill peeves JCILPS. Short film based on Robin Hood's life released. CM distributes irrigation pump sets to farmers. Manipur Human Rights Commission serves notice to Education Commissioner Qasim Secretary. Manipur Mail. India to become a $3 trillion economy this year, says Finance Minister. Chief Minister distributes irrigation pump sets.
Now the headlines once again. Forest Minister Shyam Kumar urged to clarify his false promise. urges party men not to pamper public trust in BJP, confident of winning 40 seats in next state assembly polls. And MPP unhappy over refusal of permission by district magistrate to hold protest. This is all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.
Thank you.